there, Shalini here from Tech Gatha, and this video covers nested if else. To understand nested if else, let's consider a small scenario. For example, in schools, for calculating grades, the criteria are if a person scored an average score between 90 to 100, then the student gets a grade A. If it is between 80 to 89, in that case, the student gets a score of B and so on. So 80 to 90 it's B, 70 to 80 it's C, 60 to 70 D, and less than 60 that means the grade is F. Now what do we have to do is when we are comparing, so a small program which takes the input from the user, the average marks. So how will we write that if the average is greater than or is greater than 90, and because it has to be and average less than equal to 100. That means this person gets a grade of A. Again we'll write a if in the round brackets, and then we will be saying system.out.println scored grade A, right? Same way, these statements we will be repeating for all the other values. So then I can say if a average is greater than 80 and if the person scores less than equal to 90, greater than 70 and less than equal to 80. Same way here, 60 and less than equal to 70, and if the average is less than 60, then the grade is F. So we have B, we have C, we have D, and we have F. Yes, definitely we can write if this way, but the problem is our program will check for all the conditions, but only at a time one condition will be true. Then we use nested if else. So we say if this is true, print this, and the program comes out from here. Else, if this is true, go here. Else, if this is true, go here. Else, if this is true, go here. And else, if average less than 60, then score grade is F. Right? We can also write one more condition over here, and average greater than equal to 0. Now it may happen that by mistake we may enter a negative value. So our program should be also able to handle for the negative values. So in that case we can say else marks entered are invalid. When you have these kind of scenarios, suppose school grades, creating for an insurance policy where based on the age the coverage is decided, let's execute this program and see. Enter your average marks. If I suppose entered 80, I get the grade as C. Okay. So 80 means between 70 and 80, I get the grade as C. Suppose I again execute, and now here if I enter the value for the marks as say 30, it says grade F. Suppose I enter the value as negative, so I'll say minus 90, it says marks entered are invalid. So this is the way you write nested if else. We come to an end of this video. There is an assignment on this topic as well. The link for the same is provided in the description. Happy learning, take care, and bye-bye.